Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, January the 27th, 2021. Yes, we have here three regular Sudokus, a binary one, a medium one, and a Sudoku mix, aka killer Sudoku. But first, we will solve this Sudoku binary. By the way, in this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus with 8 extra Sudokus. So a lot of Sudokus to solve today. First, this one, the binary one. This will be number 2227. 2227. Let me check if this is correct. Finally. Tuesday. I made a mistake. It's 2228. 228. Alright, 8. 2228. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Yes. I see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 ones. So I'm missing 1 1. So let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. So the fifth one should be here because I cannot place it there. Otherwise, we have 3 O's here. So it must be in the middle. 2 O's. Yes. Should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Alright. Double O. Here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 O's, so this should be. The rest are ones, okay. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Between two O's, wait, double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then, double one, here no, there no. Between two ones. No. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. And then, let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Then double one, here no, there no. Four, 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 four. Two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Oh, double one here. Here no, there no. Between two O's comes in one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Aha, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place a number 5, the fifth O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be an O, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be an O. This should be a 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And between two O's comes in 1, so number 5. The fifth 1, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. And the last one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's. And this is number 5. Yes, finish in 8 minutes. All right. Great binary. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. A regular Sudoku. It will be a medium Sudoku. So see you later. Bye-bye for now.